Hi, welcome to Cargo Drone Port, a simulator game about drone delivery. I'm one of the developers, in fact, the artist, and I'm gonna show you a short tutorial about this game. And first off, we have this menu, and it gives you four options to go through, three options without quitting. First, we can check out the settings, and from here we can switch the resolution, which currently is locked by full screen, and you can change the graphics quality from low to medium to high, and this changes will reflect in the game. This is the volume bar. I would recommend keeping it close to zero. Okay. So in the tutorial, it introduces you to the game. It tells you what you have to do to complete the game, finish the level, the control, and the objective, which is to deliver as many parcels before time runs out. Let's play. So in here you have the basic controls and the only controls you'll ever have. And drone travels around, avoiding this purple sphere, because if we go into this purple sphere, the thing will slow down. And the drone can also pick up multiple packages, as you can see, up to 3 at most. So you have to coordinate the drone in order to achieve the highest score before the timer runs out. As you can see, it's already running out as we're speaking. So you can travel around, and in fact, if you end up crashing into each other, this happens, which the drones will have to just respawn via a counter. And that's basically the game. In this demo version, you only have 1 minute to finish the game on the highest score. And once you're done, you can put your name in here. I'll type Andrew. And you can restart again if you want to play. So that's basically the intro to this game, and thank you for watching. Alright, kind of complicated getting things around. Yup. Well, that's all. See ya.